Hey, well, I just got off work, decided to take me a little walk on the Monon Trail and enjoy this beautiful day. Things are going well. Allergies are kicking my butt, but it's too pretty to be stuck inside, so I'm gonna go out and just enjoy this beautiful day while I can. You can never take life for granted. Check out what I'm talking about. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I'm enjoying myself. This pond, this lake used to be so dry, but we've been getting so much rain that it's actually filled up. We got water flowing. Finally got some water going on. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day.